Hoy, sirkado kayo, mag-start kayo sa baba. Sabi ko, ewan ko, yan ang sabi nila.
Oh, a lot of cars already. What happened?
Bakit marami yung natao, di ba?
Oh, wow.
Pero,
We're waiting for our subway. Nasa public. Want to know what's inside this pool? I'm not sure. Check it out. Siyempre, sayang yung battery. Naka-airplane mode yan.
Saan yung kasama natin isa?
Naiwan pala siya. Walang tulugan yan.
Much the same.
Takot siya. Yan lang ang kinatatakutan niya. Let me see the bottom. Oh my god.
At a total cost, well,
Picture time. Start our hike. Mount Jacinto Peak. Wow.
Nagpapayabang.
Kailan?
Research.
Oh, diba? Route, length, and difficulty. Here's the 10 essentials.
Check with it.
These are the 10.
So that's good. I have a
Map, water,
I have a hat.
sun protection, matches,
I
fire
don't have
starter,
clothing. Wala ako lahat yan.
pocket knife, first aid, flashlight, whistle. Oh, I don't have flashlight. So this is the trail. We're gonna start. Wow. Jacinto Peak, 4.2 miles. Wow. Just did 1.8. Wow. 2 miles more and 2.2 miles more. Limborak. Big tree. Coming. 4 more miles. Oh, that's the tree. Oh, almost halfway. Thank God. Woo! Go short legs. We have more 2.5 miles. Look at the view. So nice. It's like Mount Lemon. Wow. Nice view. Let's hit it. Woo! My goodness. Thank you, God. Wow, look at there's a shade. Maybe bathroom? Not sure. So let's go up closer to the peak. My legs tired. Ooh. It's a rocky road. Wow. Look. I'm gonna fly. Ooh. Coming. Don't cut the video. I'm coming.
Where are you?
Here. Woo! Very rocky, ah. Son, we should buy ice cream.
ay, good to see you.
Ayoko na magkipag-egg sa'yo. Deadly. Dead on arrival.
I like that. I I like that.
See? Oh.
Ay, wait, nandito na tayo. Asan yung...
I want ginger.
Okay, wait. Diyan ka lang, girl, ha?
Ah,
Kasi ano ko ng selfie, apat tayo. Kami kanina.
mag-drone ka.
Ayan, mahal, oh, meron.
Mag-drone ka.
Oh, gagano.
Din in arrival daw siya.
Dead or alive.
8 miles ako today. Mas malayo pa to sa ano.
Asan to?
Ampres.
Sa... Ang tawag doon? Half Dome. I'm dead on arrival.
Ayan, kumpleto tayo.
I want
Girl, I
ginger.
need to see your face. Wala kang face mo.
Mayroon na.
Iangat mo man yung ulo mo.
Ah, gano'n. Ano ka?
Konti lang ba? 1, 2, 3. Iangat ko siya sa hike junkies.
Isa pa.
Hindi na, yun na lang yun. Iano ko siya sa hike junkies right now.
Di drone mo pang gano'n, no? Para maganda. Ano may drone? Tapos, bakit?
Tapos nag-ano na siya, nagpunta na siya sa lawyer.
Divorce ba siya?
Emergency. Nag-ano na siya.
Ah.
Yung ano namin, prayer group namin.
Oh. So nice view. Okay lang yun.
Huwag naman.
We are here, we made it. I'm so tired today.
Last time, hindi.
I have 8 miles. We're done. Let's go bye-bye now. Another 6 miles down. Yes, madam. Okay. Oh my God. Time to go home. Ha? Oh, sige, dahan-dahan. Hindi, to the left. After this bush. Yeah. Remember you took my video?
Oh, yeah.
Very good. No, look at the mushroom. So big. You want some? Come here. It's time to go back to the tramway. Oh, this is 200 feet or 400. It's going up. My feet are too tired. Well, see you later. Thanks for watching. Hi, Grace. Oh, where's Ginger? Is Ginger watching Mommy? Hi, Nanay. I love you. Meron pa dito.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh my goodness. We're on the top. Oh wow. See what's in there. Oh, wow. A Grand Canyon wilderness. Wow. Oh, and Palm Spring. Uwi na.